Let rip the dogs of war, and loose the rattling guns. Charge into the gaping maw, till blood on the battlefield runs. Heed not the screams of broken men. Instead, orders, charge, charge on, and rally for the trump, rally up again, till all men are gone. Charge the fire through clasping mire, head on against the cannons once more. Let rip the shells till death bells kneels, men let's up the score. Cross the field thy thunder, to the walls of hardened stone, while all time torn split asunder, yet not one faltered, while many fell. Till gainst the walls they charged and broke, the enemy who stood in smoky hell. Who stood on the walls of crumbling rock, for thy trump too they fell in turn, and into choke and battery smoke. They fled, they fell, rallied not again. Across the field the brave men walked, the dogs of war now deathly quelled. As on that field death with scythe he stalked, and reaped the harvest of grown men felled. Those brave men, not one left, without some scar or shot, yet not thy trump of whom they sing, cared to him that was their lot.